The Realme 3 mobile features a 6.2, 15.75 centimeters display with a screen resolution of 720 x 1520 pixels and runs on Android V 9.0 Pie operating system. The device is powered by octa-core, 2.1 GHz, quad. Core, Cortex-A7 3 plus 2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A5 3 paired with 3 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 4230 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 13MP plus 2MP camera. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make MES run smoothly, this phone has got a Mali G70 2MP3 GPU. Onboard storage is at 32 GB with the option to expand the memory by up to 256 GB. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 8.3mm slim and weighs 175 grams. Realme 3 price in India. Realme 3 price in India is approximately 8,999. This mobile will be available in colors such as dynamic black, Radiant blue, classic black,